Infused with herbal extracts and natural ingredients, the extracts have a healing effect on scars and can make the epithelium become epithelial faster, suitable for all ages and all skin types. To reduce the pain and discomfort caused by the growth of warts, wart cream can reduce the friction on the surface of the wart, thereby reducing the irritation caused by exercise or contact. Wart cream penetrates from the inside of the wart and works quickly, breaking down the structure of the wart from the inside out to provide you with the desired result. The wart cream comes in a portable vial, which is small, lightweight, easy to use, which means you can maintain the consistency and effectiveness of the treatment. Our wart cream is safe, even for children who often suffer from warts due to an active lifestyle. Under the supervision of adults, children can also use wart cream.